Already removed the oil cap, filter cap, and this is basically difficult side. This will be easier. So what I'm trying to do is using a 8 millimeter. I can use 10 E10, but 8 is a trick for using it. But here is the problem: whenever you are doing it tightening or losing it, remember you don't have that much space. So right now what I did mistake is I forget to take it out this socket and take it out with the hand. That bolts enough space with plier, or you can use your, I keep it this filter over here because I don't want it to drop anything, but you can take it out and it's just a thing. You can just remove it and put a towel, shop towel or anything which is not fall down, because this is where directly everything goes down and directly to the oil pump gallery. So here you can see what I make a mistake, so you don't make mistake. Half of them lose it by hand, then you can use it. So in this position right now I have to put it back a little bit tight to make a space come out. It's almost out, but it's stuck due to the here, and here the plastic one which make a more space. If I remove, which I already removed one E11, and there will be another E11 which is over there, hopefully, yeah. So this is where you don't have enough space, so you can use a U-joint to remove it, or use any tool which can make it easy for you to make a little bit space, because this is plastic item and this is can be brutal because of the age. Be careful of the plastic item. So whenever you're working on, just use your best tools to not to slip any bolt, and try to use a hand tools, not electronic tools, so that will save your time. In my situation I stuck on this thing, which is I'm gonna remove it very soon, just putting back a little bit, and that's how it will be coming out. Let me take it out this and remove that E11 to make a more space to penetrate if I need to remove this little bit bolt, lose this bolt. This is it's a 6 millimeter. So if I can remove this thing, then I can move it on, and then I have a more space. So that's to save your more efforts. Just stop it before it's coming off. It will not come out because they have a long I mean, this is the size what you're looking for. So if you remove it up to 2-3 threads and then remove by hand, that will be much easier. So don't make a mistake what I make it, because I was in a little bit trying to get it hurry up. It's getting night, but normally it's 6-7 hour job to remove this and this and this. So you can do it within an hour or 2 hours, depending on how your technical skills are. But this is where the bolts are there, and this is where I have to lose this 10 mm E10 to make a little space. I can remove this, keep it everything, and I can lose this thing and remove it a little bit backwards. And they have a, I cannot show you that bolt over here, but this is, here is another bolt which supposed to be E10, which is over here. But once if I need to remove it, I have to remove this one, and then it will be a little bit have leverage to move it upwards to it towards me. But anyways, this is what I'm doing it right now. Let me finish it and make another video for that. Thank you.